Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your taxes. Filing your taxes can seem daunting, but breaking it down into simple steps makes it manageable. First, you need to understand if you are required to file and by what date. Then, gather all your financial paperwork. Finally, select the appropriate filing status, such as single or married filing jointly, to ensure accuracy. Now, let's talk about gathering your essential documents. You will need your W-2 forms from all employers and any 1099 forms for contract work or investment income. Don't forget to collect records for potential deductions, such as mortgage interest statements or student loan interest paid. Also, keep organized receipts for charitable donations and significant medical expenses to maximize your benefits. Next, you'll choose how to file your return. Many people opt for electronic filing using commercial tax software or by hiring a tax professional. If your income is below a specific amount, you might qualify for free tax preparation services. Alternatively, you can always mail a paper return, though this method typically involves longer processing times for your refund or payment. Finally, it's time to review and submit your tax return. Carefully double-check every entry for accuracy and completeness to avoid errors that could delay processing. Make sure to sign and date your return in all required places. After submission, always keep copies of your filed return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years, which is a common record-keeping recommendation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.